bees hold a crucial role in the intricate dance of ecosystems, pollination. Pollination involves the transfer of pollen from the male parts of a flower, anthers, to the female parts, stigmas, of the same or another flower. This process is essential for the reproduction of many plants, leading to the production of fruits, seeds, and the next generation of plants. How bees contribute to pollination. Bees are among the most efficient pollinators nature has to offer, largely because they feed on nectar and pollen. As they move from flower to flower, pollen grains stick to their hairy bodies and are subsequently deposited onto other flowers, leading to pollination. Some bee species, such as honeybees and bumblebees, perform an additional process called buzz pollination, where they vibrate their bodies at the right frequency to dislodge pollen, which is particularly effective for certain types of crops. The excellence of bees in pollination is partly due to their foraging behavior and loyalty to a particular flower type during each foraging trip, a phenomenon known as flower constancy. This specificity ensures that pollen is more likely to be transferred between flowers of the same species, making bees highly effective agents of cross-pollination. The impact of bee decline on ecosystems. The decline of bee populations poses a serious threat to global biodiversity and agricultural productivity. Bees are responsible for the pollination of around 70% of the crops humans depend on for food worldwide. Without them, many plants, including food crops, would have lower yields or fail to reproduce altogether. This scenario could lead to reduced food availability, increased prices, and the potential loss of plant species, particularly dependent on bee pollination. The impact reaches beyond agriculture. Wild ecosystems also rely on pollinating insects like bees to maintain the diversity and vitality of plant life. The decline in bee populations can disrupt natural ecosystems, leading to a cascading effect on other species. For example, less pollination can reduce the production of nuts, berries, fruits, and seeds, which countless birds and mammals rely on for sustenance. It is estimated that the economic value of pollination services provided by insects globally is around USD 215 billion. The decline of bees could therefore have profound economic consequences, highlighting the necessity of conservation efforts. Reasons for bee decline. Habitat loss. Expansion of urban areas and changes in land use lead to the loss of the flowers bees depend on for food. Pesticides. The use of neonicotinoids and other pesticides can be harmful to bees, affecting their navigation and foraging abilities, immune systems, and reproduction. Diseases and parasites. Bees are susceptible to various diseases and parasites, such as the Varroa destructor mite, which infest hives and can devastate bee colonies. Climate change. Altered weather patterns can affect the availability of flowers and disrupt the synchronization between bees and the flowering of plants they depend on for food. Conclusion. The contribution of bees to pollination is essential for the health of ecosystems and for human agriculture. The alarming decline in their numbers necessitates immediate steps to be taken to mitigate the causes of their losses. Doing so is not just a matter of conserving a single species. It is crucial for preserving biodiversity, maintaining food security, and sustaining the ecosystems that humans and other life forms rely on for their very existence.